We have one of the most productive CNC benders in the market, offering a maximum precision in registry and measurement of bend angles. We offer a high accuracy bending from very acute to very obtuse angles. The system has 6 axes and rear stops that allow us to process a wide variety of parts. Perfect for all kinds of components for a wide range of industries. Our equipment characteristics are Trumpf True Bend 5130. The materials that can be bent are carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Our advantages are precision and quality, increased productivity, versatility, precise results, flexibility. In Precision Cut, the bending is of total precision.